Hello, welcome everybody. So today in this video we are going to have a look at this numerical. What we have to do is we have to find the total width of the pavement on a circular curve for a new national highway along a rolling train and a minimum rolling radius. So what we will do is we'll find the design speed for rolling design speed for rolling area. So we'll have a look at this IRC specification. So in this specification, we can find that the rolling area has having rolling speed as 80. Different columns, let me explain. This is the serial number. This is the type of road that we are going to design, and these are the type of uh, terrains that we have design speed for. And for rolling uh, design speed and rolling area, we have 80 design speed. So we'll take the design speed as 80 and we'll design accordingly. So first what we need to do is we need to find the minimum rolling radius. So for that we'll try to solve. For national highway rolling design speed for rolling terrain is 80 km per hour, and E plus F is equal to V square upon 127 R will give us the minimum rolling radius. That is what we have to design it for, right? So we'll calculate it by R is equal to V square upon 127 E plus F. We'll input the value of V as 80 as taken from here. E is to be taken as maximum value. It is to be taken as equal to 0.07, and next we have to calculate the value of R. It will come out to be approximately 229. We can also take it, if we can remember it, we can also take it as 230 meters. So normal width of a pavement is 7 meters. We will assume it to be two-lane road. Undivided carriage. The normal width of the pavement would be equal to 7 meters, and the length of vehicle would be equal to 6 meters. So we'll calculate the extra widening. It would be mechanical as well as psychological widening. So for mechanical widening, it will be equal to NL square upon 2R, and for psychological widening, it will be equal to 9.5 under root V upon 9.5 under root R. You need to remember that here V is in kilometer per hour, and we need to input it as here as in kilometer per hour only, and this would be in meter, right? So we'll input the values and we'll find that the value of extra widening would be equal to 0.7064. We'll add the total width of the pavement to this, and we'll find it to be 7.71 meter. So what we have done in this video is we have found the total width of the pavement that is required on the circular curve for a new national highway. So that's all from my side for this video. Will this has been a short video just for the numerical purpose of ruling radius and extra widening. So please like and comment if you want more similar questions. And that's all from my side. Please subscribe to the video as well, subscribe to the channel as well, and we'll meet you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.